In this video, you'll learn how to reschedule your Wecasa appointment. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily change your scheduled service to a more convenient time. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once you reach the homepage, look for the option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button and you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This screen displays various options and information about your services. Locate the section that lists your upcoming appointments. It typically shows the day, time, and type of service you have scheduled. Next, click on the specific appointment that you wish to reschedule. This action will open a detailed view of your appointment where you can see more information about the service provider and the original date and time. In the appointment details, look for the button labeled Reschedule. This button is essential to initiate the rescheduling process. Once you find it, click on it to proceed to the next step. You will now be presented with a calendar view to choose a new date for your service, browse through the available dates and select one that works best for you. After selecting the date, you will be prompted to choose a new time slot. Select a time that fits into your schedule. Keep in mind that the availability of times may vary based on your service provider schedule. Once you have made your selections, look for the button labeled Save, Update or Confirm and click it to finalize the changes. After confirming, you should see the updated appointment details on your dashboard. Additionally, Wecasa will send you a confirmation notification via email or through the app, ensuring that you have a record of your newly scheduled appointments.